Okay, I'm going to teach you how to organize your cards by putting them in stacks before you outline. This will make outlining much easier. So you notice I already have a pile here for the case for labeling. I'm doing GMOs. So I've got some note cards that I've already titled Case for Labeling with some subtitles, so that's going to make it easier. So I'm going to drag those over and just drop them in there, and see now it says 1. And this one is also a case for labeling. I'll drag that over, put that there. Here's another case for labeling. So that says 3. Now, if I want to expand, see what I have in my pile, I'm going to expand. Oh no, I have a case against in the wrong place. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to drag it out. Okay, so now I want to create a new pile. So I'm going to hit Manage Pile. And this one is going to be the case against labeling. Okay, submit. Now I have a new pile up here. That's where I'm going to drag and drop those because I want those in that organization. Okay, so now I have 2 and 2. Looks good. I have some other ones here about benefits of CRISPRs, U.S. opinion, large companies, marketing, regulations. So I'm going to put the labeling laws, and I think I'm going to create a new pile where I say public opinion. Okay, so I create that pile. It's over here. So I'm going to say labeling laws because they reflect public opinion. GMOs and U.S. opinion. And large companies are starting to follow public opinion. Oh, but wait. I decide I want to move the labeling laws under a regulation one. So now I'm going to manage a pile, start a new pile, laws and regulations. Okay. So see, now I have most of my note cards in piles and organized like that with just a couple outliers, and I think I'm ready to start outlining.